Hey, welcome to Irish Street Reno Week 208. It's pumpkin season, which means I'll be carving up some jack-o'-lanterns this week. But first, I run a service entrance cable from the load center outside to downstairs. Welcome to Week 208, Renovators. Today, I'm wiring up these gimbal light power packs before the drywall goes up. On Saturday, I'm running a service entrance cable from the main panel to the basement so I can have a sub-panel downstairs. With all the power turned off, I disconnect some circuits in the main load center, which will be relocated to the basement. In their place, I add a 100 amp breaker for the service entrance cable. Next, I drill a hole for the service entrance conduit with my trusty Amazon corer. I insert a 10-foot span of conduit into the basement, which will protect the cable to its destination. I use an elbow box to connect the horizontal run to the vertical run up to the main load center. After stripping back a little of the outer wrap, I'm able to feed the cable up into the load center, after which I feed the remainder into the basement conduit. I connect the service entrance cable to the 100 amp breaker in the main panel and leave the breaker off until it's ready to be connected in the basement. For safety, the basement end is insulated and secured in the unlikely event that the cable somehow becomes energized. In the evening, I snag an 8-mile run at Rocky Flats, enjoying the ever-impending autumn air. Monday brings a short trip to Brush because Daya and I are taking my dad golfing. I don't really want to say who won, but it's safe to say that Daya and I need a lot of practice. In the evening, Daya and I carved some pumpkins to get the porch into Halloween mode, and I'm pretty happy with how my Rick Sanchez pumpkin turned out. We close out the week by checking out the Denver Botanic Gardens' Halloween festival called Glow at the Gardens. We've seen their Christmas lights in the past, which are excellent, and their Halloween mode is just as impressive. The collaborative artists really take pumpkin carving to the next level here. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, happy renovating.